Hey, what's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. Today we're going to be doing part 2 of the Veloce Type G Aero Kit installation. We're going to be doing the side skirts today. As you guys can see, it's a very nice, great option here. What the major difference here is that the design is a one-piece flared up at the back end as part of the whole mold, compared to the previous Type R kit was actually flat design, and then you had the option to add in the fins, front and back, and those were with adhesive. One of the things that I didn't really like, so I didn't do it on mine when I had the previous kit. So this is a really nice one because it's already flared already and matches the front kit. So really nice design, very fluent, much thicker material. The other thing I wanted to go ahead and clear in this video, on my original first video of the front, on part 1, I had mentioned M&S America. This is actually driven by KTM Holic, so shout out to them for driving this new revamped design and improvements. So KTM Holic is the one that's giving us the opportunity to test on our car here. So let's go ahead and get started. So all side skirts normally get drilled from the bottom with screws, so it's a very straight process. I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the car. Again, here the 3 pillars are very useful in this case, will help you if you are working alone. I always recommend on the side skirts definitely to always use a second person just for alignment purposes. It's a very long piece, so it's really hard to work with just one person, but this pillars will definitely help, again, with some maybe adding some boxes when the car is jacked up or something. Should also alleviate that stress on installation, just like it did for me on the front doing it by myself. So let's go ahead and just get started. Alright guys, so I've already started. I found that the best way, I was using boxes and the pillars, but it still moves around. So the best bet to do is to go ahead and start here and put all the support on the back end with boxes or pillars, whatever you want to put to hold the whole side skirt weight up. And you want to start here. If you guys notice, the side skirt also has a hole. When you're under the car, your vehicle also has this hole. So this is a great indicator to aligning that hole to the actual physical hole of the vehicle. So you'll start there, drill the first one, and as you have the weight off of using boxes towards the back end, which I'll go ahead and I'll show you. I already went ahead and mounted it with some screws already, but I'll give you an idea of what I did to kind of facilitate your job. All right, this is what I did more or less. Again, I'm working by myself, so I put a box, another support here to kind of hold the weight, because this is such a long piece, as you guys can see. So I went ahead and already screwed in that front, and I just need to add the extra screws here down at the center, but I held the weight with the box and some kind of item there, and also I already screwed on the back end to kind of give me that support. I put some screws already in the middle to kind of hold it already, and then once you have that position, then all you have to do is finalize the install by finishing the last screws. So I'm gonna get a bottom view and I'll show you the final result. Here's the bottom view. I already went ahead and I screwed the back one. I did this one here, and there's more towards this side, so I'll go ahead and I'll show you guys as I'm doing some of them until we finalize the full installation. So I'll take one of the self-tapping screws here. And it's pretty straightforward. Keep moving along, align and drill. you guys can see, just keep screwing on the preset holes using the supplied screws until you're fully done. Alright guys, there you have it. There's the front splitter that we installed before. And here are the side skirts. If you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching again. There's 15% off until the end of the month of November. I will put the link and the discount code for my website so you guys can get it. Again, you can get individual pieces or the full kit. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Boost the Whips. I'm out. Have a very pleasant day and God bless.